This is mostly a trick question, testing again for your general people skills and enjoyment of team-based activities. While you shouldn't lie for this question, or any, you should consider placing a larger emphasis on the hobbies you enjoy in the company of others. Sports, for instance, will give you a chance to hint at your leadership and cooperative abilities. If you say something like cooking and hosting dinner parties, it will let you show off your hospitality skills and ability to manage many people at once. What you don't want to do with this question is ramble about things you like to do. Your employer doesn't care about that as much as they care about how you demonstrate strong people skills in and out of the workplace, and whether or not you'll bring those skills to this workplace in particular.